Looking for an outlet for unlimited creativity? Take control of the new Daja Laser Engraver. It's powerful, affordable, and easy to use. 3W power allows you to quickly carve out your creativity. Highly accurate for precise engraving. Easily sees the details at 0.05 millimeter accuracy. Easily create custom designs, patterns, or text and engrave in minutes. Engraves on any surface. Simply sketch out your idea and leave the rest to Daja. A creative feast is ready. In addition to engraving, Daja also cuts material. Why not piece together a world map? The semi-open aluminum structure is sturdy and durable and allows for unlimited engraving sizes and angles. Daja has comprehensive security features. A portable security cover, a specially designed cooling fan, full mobile power failure protection provided. The Daja Laser Engraver. Engrave wallets. Engrave tools. Carve out artwork. With coated metals, Daja can be spontaneously creative. Daja. Engrave everyday objects and make them extraordinary.
Holograms have just always been a passion for me. When you see true holograms, it's a wow moment. It's a piece of 3D science magic, and you just want to reach out and touch it. But it was while I was at MIT that I realized, unless you were a research student or a grad student at a place like MIT, you weren't going to get access to this kind of hologram technology. I started LitiHolo to help change that. I'm Paul Christie, the founder of LitiHolo, and we're introducing our new desktop 3D hologram printer.
I've been working with holography for probably over 20 years, and one of the things that we've always talked about is a desktop printer. I can't believe that Liti is finally doing it at a price point that actually makes this affordable for everyone.
This is a little like the early stages of the personal computer, or the early stages of the recent 3D printing phenomenon that we've seen. It's a new tool that gives people access to a whole new hologram technology, and we're excited to see where people will go with it.
Yeah, having something like this that takes a MakerBot approach to holographic printing, I think is just what I need as an instructor, trying to help students get their hands dirty with hard copy holography.
Our regular two-dimensional pictures, our regular screens, they're flat. We walk around all day, every day, seeing 3D. And I think it's natural for us to want that kind of 3D in our images. And this is the start of how we get there.
So I think LitiHolo is an excellent company to spearhead this effort. They have a reputation for taking some of the sophisticated parts of holography and making them more accessible. And this is just another example of that. Now, instead of needing your own laser on a specialized table, they've encapsulated this into a small package, and sometimes you just want a hologram.
True hologram technology has potential to go far beyond where we are currently. There's a lot of other 3D technologies out there, and there's been a lot of older 3D technologies, and it's exciting to see where they've come. We're excited to see where true hologram technology can go.
Holography is magical, and I think that as many people as possible should experience it, and I think that this product, this effort, is going to lower the threshold.
The future of where we hope that this will take holograms is just, it's exciting to see. Previous to this, access to this kind of technology has just been so limited. We see this as a potential to inspire the next generation of holographic artists, the next generation of holographic students, researchers, and we're hoping the next generation of holographic entrepreneurs. With your help and support, we can get ready for production, acquire parts at scale, and get a desktop 3D hologram printer into the hands of people like you.
Liti, you're doing it! We're getting a desktop printer! Love it. Thank you.
Got cool ideas and want to do some creative things freely by hand? Or want to make prototypes, but have difficulties in making tools and have to spend months in finding a manufacturer? Here's FORMART 2, a machine tool for creative people like you. It's an advanced desktop vacuum forming machine with industrial performance. With it, everything will be easy. Lay down an object without any complex settings. Wonderful ideas like making soap molds and DIY components will come true, featuring extraordinary functions. Any thermoplastic materials can be used. With the built-in ID scanner, sheets can be identified easily. The optimal parameters are automatically entered. 3 default modes provide access to the most powerful functions. Largest forming bed in its class allows free switch between plastic sheets and avoids waste. Exclusive mold stripping technology is your best aid. If you already have a 3D printer, FORMART 2 is especially handy. It allows you to explore different materials and to try more creatively. Preheating program improves forming quality and enables various materials. Any shape you create can be filled with decorative or practical materials. If you don't know how to make 3D models, that's alright, as long as you can knead and shape, FORMART can take care of the rest. Intricate detail brings proposals to life, and meetings with clients have never been easier. It even takes care of the packaging, gets you product ready. The user-friendly surface helps achieve a 100% success rate while sustaining top quality. Product packaging and display can be achieved instantly with any items. You can free yourself and make creations anytime, anywhere. We'll join in your exploration for colorful ideas and help you bring your imagination to life. FORMART 2 reduces costs with infinitely reusable molds, so you can do better. Form your ideas from your table.
This pen is the technology that touches the peak of professionalism. All existing 3D pens are large, heavy, uncomfortable, and uneasy to use.
LIX is designed to offer an entirely new experience to all the creative people. The enhanced dimensional features of LIX help them to come up with something unique and interesting.
LIX has a great potential and can be a perfect tool for stylists, architects, designers, and anybody who are interested in 3D printing.
In short, LIX has everything an experimenter needs. This small device will allow you to go beyond your imagination. LIX 3D printing pen is for you. If you love to experiment different things, it will open new possibilities in your creativity.
If you are stepping into a profession in a groundbreaking way, then this small and smart 3D printing pen will help you add that spark to your work.
LIX, the smallest and smartest 3D printing pen in the world. It is highly portable, with its small size and power cable that you can plug on any traditional USB ports. LIX is a pen, but not one of the ordinary. Having the three-dimensional ability, it enables you to doodle in the air. It has a perfect size. Just handle this small and smart pen once and notice that it fits perfectly in your hand, giving you extreme comfort and balance while you draw. Advanced technology meets beautiful design, from the sustainably aluminum body to the elegant technological core. Every detail in LIX combines beautiful engineering and meticulous craft. Some examples include accessories, decoration pieces, arts and crafts, artistic jewelry, fashion prototypes, and different forms of drawings. You can make anything out of it within just a few seconds. Essentially, LIX 3D printing pen has the similar function as of 3D printers. It melts and cools colored plastic, letting you create rigid and freestanding structures, which can be formed in any imaginable shapes. This exceptional pen is a small and smart pen that does not require paper. We are excited to share this amazing experience with you.